1 year of lockdowns, limited contact, and uncertainty is taking its toll on all of us, and a growing number of people are struggling with their mental health. Christina Laurie talked to the head of UW Health's behavioral unit to find out how to know if you need help and where to find it.
The worst mental health crisis since World War II. That's at least how some healthcare professionals are classifying it, including those trained here in Madison.
It is almost like war.
Anxiety, depression, sleeplessness, sleepiness.
You're on edge and have very high stress with boredom, and that's how people often describe like living in war.
Doctors inside the UW's behavioral health unit have been extraordinarily busy, working with Wisconsinites who've been struggling, often silently, with their mental health.
People are feeling a lot of distress, a lot of worry, a lot of like struggling with staying safe and making decisions and, coping.
It's an indirect impact of the coronavirus, and one that often gets overlooked. The unprecedented number of Americans reporting symptoms of anxiety, depression, and addiction. Half of all Americans say their mental health has been negatively affected by the virus, and that's created another crisis, a mental health pandemic. This one less visible.
Let's say have borderline diabetes, right? There are actual tests that can tell you, what's the threshold for doing this intervention or that intervention. With mental health, there isn't that hard and fast like blood test you can take.
Dr. Lonergan explains the number of people struggling with their mental health will continue to rise, even as more Wisconsinites get vaccinated.
The truth is, we are all having this experience at the same time across the board. It's just so pervasive.
1 year into the pandemic, she says it's not unusual to feel anxious, depressed, or alone. Just know you aren't.
I don't think there's any reason to wait.
And there are plenty of people who want to help end the war inside your mind right now. Dr. Lonergan recommends several other things for anyone struggling right now. Go on a walk, talk to a friend, do something that you used to enjoy. And above all, know that you are not alone. There are many wonderful local resources right here in the Madison area. I've posted links to how you can find those up on channel3000.com.